Es el mono capuchino de frente blanca del marañón. White front, marañón, white front, capuchin monkey. Look at that. Wow, super cool. There are many of them. Yeah, there are many of them. They usually goes down on the ground for looking some snails, right? Some kind of like crustaceans or any other type of meat. Or as you can hear, some of them is using the fruit trying to crash to break on the tree trunk.
Oh, is that
That's what you can hear them, yeah. They are super smart. Considered one of the smartest species of monkey in the Amazon. Oh yeah, that's the mama on the back there with baby. Marañón, white front, capuchin monkey.